Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme, head-turning supercars of 2025, the Mansory tuned Lamborghini. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of pure aggression, exclusivity, and performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes this beast stand out in the world of hypercars. Exterior. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 Mansory Lamborghini demands attention. The body is a complete transformation from the stock Lamborghini, wrapped in exposed forged carbon fiber with ultra-sharp lines and aerodynamic enhancements that look straight out of a science fiction movie. Up front, the redesigned bumper features massive air intakes and a signature Mansory light signature that adds even more drama. Along the sides, the aggressive carbon side skirts and large forged wheels emphasize its low, wide stance. And at the rear, a massive diffuser, center exit exhaust, and a full carbon fiber wing complete the hyper-aggressive look. Every inch is sculpted not just for looks but for performance. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that screams both luxury and motorsport. Mansory has completely overhauled the cabin, wrapping nearly every surface in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather. Custom stitching, contrast piping, and Mansory emblems are everywhere, reminding you that this is no ordinary Lambo. The driver-focused layout features a digital display, flat-bottom carbon steering wheel, and aluminum pedals. While it retains Lamborghini's fighter jet-like DNA, Mansory elevates it with a level of craftsmanship and personalization that's unmatched. Performance. Under the hood, Mansory doesn't hold back. The 2025 model starts with Lamborghini's already monstrous V12 engine, but after Mansory's tuning, it's pushing over 850 horsepower and more than 740 Nm of torque. That means a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in under 2.6 seconds, and a top speed well north of 220 miles per hour. With an upgraded exhaust system, race-spec suspension, and lightweight carbon components, this Lambo isn't just louder and faster, it's sharper, more agile, and terrifyingly quick on both the road and the track. Price. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. The base Lamborghini is already a multi-million-dollar machine, but once Mansory works its magic, you're looking at a price tag that can soar past $1.5 to $2 million, depending on customization. And with production numbers extremely limited, owning one is like owning a piece of rolling art. Outro. End. So, is the 2025 Mansory Lamborghini worth it? If you crave unmatched performance, insane styling, and true automotive rarity, absolutely. Let us know in the comments what you think about this wild creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more supercar content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.